everybody. Welcome to Asia's Fitness Lifestyle. If this is your first time joining us, yes, us, because this is a wonderful community. But if this is your first time joining us, aka me, my name is Pauline. I always like to tell you how young I am. I'm 73 years young. I believe in fitness. I believe in health. I believe in taking good care of yourself. And today I'm going to share one of my ways that I take care of myself, and that is by juicing. You see, I don't go to the grocery store and I don't buy bottled juice. I make my own juice at home. I use my own organic, today, oranges, grapefruit, and beets. Delicious, delicious, nutritious fruits that are going to really enhance my body as they go down, because those fruits know that they have an assignment when they enter the temple. The assignment is to put on their boxing gloves and to make me nice and strong and healthy and fight any viruses that might be coming my way. So, enough talking. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, let me show you how I'm going to hook up this delicious, nutritious juice. Here we go. Those delicious fruits are getting a nice shower. They love the water. 5 oranges, 2 grapefruit, and 2 beets. Loving on that water. Oh, yes, they are. I get a kick out of taking care of myself. I really enjoy it because I like the benefits that I get from taking care of myself. And I like to share that passion with you, whether it's cooking, whether it's working out, whether it's taking a walk, running, whatever. I enjoy taking care of myself. Now, I say that to say, because if you don't have a juicer, if you can't afford a juicer right now, that's okay. You can get one of these guys. One of these guys right here. I think these bad boys are no more than $10, $15 at the most. Get yourself some oranges and start squeezing your own juice and making your own juice. You can do it. Listen to your favorite podcast. Look at your favorite channel, Ageless Fitness Lifestyle, and start squeezing your own juice and making it for yourself. You will really appreciate you for taking the time to invest in yourself to make sure that you stay healthy. You want to stay healthy in this world that we're living in right now, with all of the viruses and the bacteria and the madness and whatnot. We have to take care of ourselves. Again, if you don't have a juicer, get one of these bad boys. I don't know what they're called. You can, forgive me, I don't know what I'll call them a squeezy. And squeeze your own oranges and grapefruits and tangerines and whatever, and make your own juice. Your body will thank you in the long run. Let's get back to making this juice. There go all those delicious fruits, the oranges, the grapefruit, the ginger. I forgot to mention that to you. And the beets. I love the beets. I love the color that they give the juice. Look at that. Look at how delicious that looks just being poured into that container. I wouldn't do it any other way. I would not buy any bottled juice. I love making my own juice. And you know, those red beets, they help to support your heart health. And it helps to enhance your athletic performance. And it's rich in antioxidants and nutrients. And that's really good because it helps to fight the inflammation. And in addition to that, it's going to support your digestive health and your detoxification, especially if you're doing a fast. Those beets also protect your cognitive health. Oh, yes, they do. They keep your brain nice and healthy. And that's exactly what we want as we age. I highly recommend that you add a beet, 1 or 2, into any of the juice recipes that you make on your own. Again, this one, oranges, grapefruits, ginger, and beets. Oh, yeah. I'm so excited. I really do get excited when it comes to making delicious things for myself. So, um, I highly, highly recommend that you start making your own juice because you know what you put in it. And when you think about what the fruit is doing for your body, you can't help but jump up for joy. If you don't jump up for joy, your cells inside of you are going to do just that. The oranges, it's cold outside. We're in the month of February. The oranges, the grapefruit, they protect, they enhance my immunity. They make my cells stronger to fight anything that comes my way. The beet that I put in there, beets, I put 2 beets in there. The beets that I put in there, the beets make sure that my pressure stays on point. It helps to keep the pressure the way it is supposed to be. Not too high, not too low. Just like Goldilocks, just right. That's why I do that. So I highly recommend that you make yourself priority number one, ladies and gentlemen. We need you. I often say we need your gifts. Make yourself priority number one. How do you do that? You do that by making your own juice. Making your own juice. If you don't have a juicer, get a squeezy. You can find these in any store. Treat yourself. Love yourself like the divinity, the divine person that you are. You deserve it. Here is to your good health. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to press that subscribe button. All right? Take good care. Be well. Stay blessed. And God willing, I'll see you soon. Take good care now. Bye-bye.